Good morning, cadets. Today I'll be taking up the exercise of the chapter, The Ashes That Made the Trees Bloom. First question. The old farmer is a kind man. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? Question number 1. The old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs? Cadet Akash, answer it.
The old farmer was a kind person. He and his wife had a pet dog named Muko. As his baby,
We
having
are
no
not
children,
supposed
they
to
earned
read.
a cash
Answer
for
the question. Answer the question. You don't read the textbook. Tell me, the old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of this his kindness do you find in the first two paragraphs?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell Abhinav 5759?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, please,
Ma'am.
after him, can I?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am? Ma'am, the kind people fed the pet with tidbits of fish from their own chopsticks and all the boiled rice it wanted.
So the old farmer was a kind person. The evidence we get about his kindness from the textbook is that he treated his pet dog Mukko as his own child. He fed him fish and the tidbits with his own chopsticks. Second question. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold?
The dog kept running to the farmer and kept on whining and running to and till the farmer follow him. The dog began scratching the earth, thinking that possibly a buried bone or fish. The farmer struck his hoe in the earth and found the hidden gold. In this way, the dog led the farmer to hidden gold.
Very good. So the dog started behaving restlessly when he reached one point. He began to attract the attention of the farmer and he started to scratch the ground. The old farmer thought that it was some bone or fish and he dug it and he found the hidden gold. How did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? How did it help him next? Yes, Samartha.
The spirit of the dog came in the farmer's dream and first asked him to chop the pine tree and make mortar and hand mill out of it. With mortar and mill, it gave the farmer heaps of gold.
Very good, excellent. Second part, how did it help him next?
How did he help next, ma'am?
Yeah.
The dog's spirit again came in the farmer's dream for the second time and told the farmer to collect the ash of the mortar and the mill and sprinkle it on the withered trees and they will bloom. The farmer did this in the front of the Diamo, the landlord, and was awarded with lavish gifts.
Good. I would like you to repeat the answer. It is you have answered it well. First one, how did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first?
The spirit of the dog came in the farmer's dream and first asked him to chop the pine tree and make mortar and hand mill out of it. With the mortar and mill, it gave the farmer heaps of gold.
How did it help him next?
The dog's spirit again came in the farmer's dream for the second time and it told the farmer to collect the ashes of the mortar and the mill and sprinkle it on the withered trees, and they will bloom again.
Okay, good. So the spirit of the dog helped the farmer twice. First, it came in his dream and asked him to chop the pine tree and make a mill and mortar out of it, and so he could get a heap of gold. Second time, it appeared in his dream and told him to collect the ashes from the cruel couple's house, and he did so. He sprinkled a pinch on his own cherry tree, it bloomed, and he also sprinkled when the Diamo came and he got lavish gifts. I hope.
Okay, ma'am.
Why did the Diamo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act?
The farmer had the magical ashes. He made the old withered cherry tree blossom once again by sprinkling the ashes. So the Diamo rewarded the farmer for this. When his greedy neighbor heard about it, he took the ashes, and when Diamo was passing on the highway, he dusted in the nose and eyes of the Diamo and his wife. That is why his neighbor was punished for the same act.
They both sprinkled ashes on the tree. But why did the Diamo reward the kind farmer and his neighbor was punished? What was the reason? Both did the same. They sprinkled the ashes on the tree. But
Ma'am, can I tell?
yeah, please.
Ma'am, can I tell Shivanand?
Ma'am, the old farmer sprinkled a pinch of ashes,
Yes.
which made the tree bloom, but
Yeah.
the cruel neighbor sprinkled a hand of ashes, which made king and his wife sneeze.
Okay. So the Diamo rewarded the kind farmer because he just used a pinch of ash to sprinkle on the cherry tree and it blossomed. But the greedy neighbor, he took a handful of ash and sprinkled on the tree. That is why the plan backfired and it choked the nose and throat of the Diamo and his wife, which made the Diamo very angry, and the Diamo punished the neighbor. Now, working with language. Read the following conversation. So, it's a conversation between what you call whom it is Mrudu and Ravi. So Ravi is asking, what are you doing? Mrudu said, I am reading a book. Ravi says, who wrote it? Mrudu, Ruskin Bond. Ravi, where did you find it? Mrudu, in the library. Notice what, who, where are question words. So this is teaching you how to make or frame questions. So when you ask a question with what, it is about action and things. Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you call, what is asked for action and things. For example, Ravi has asked a question using what? What are you doing? So he's asking the action. Yes. Then who asks about people? So the question is, Ravi is asking who wrote it? So the if you can write Ruskin Bond. So who means people. Then which asks about people or things. So where asks about the place. Where are you going? If I ask you, that means you have to tell me the place. I am going to school, madam. I am going to temple, madam. You will tell me. When asked about the time. When means time. When are you coming? So you will tell me the time or the day. Why ask about reason or purpose? So why ask the reason? Why didn't you come in time for the online classes? If I ask, I'm going to ask some people today. Why didn't you report to the class in time? So you have to tell me the reason or purpose. How asks about manner or degree? So how is about manner or degree? Who means possessions. You understand possession? Whose? Cadets, do you understand the word possession?
Yes.
Yes, what do you mean by possession?
Ma'am, can I say
Who is the owner of that thing? Who owns it? It
Very
is.
good, very good, Smruti.
Yes, ma'am.
So, whose pen is this? When I ask that question, whose pen is this? That means it is, I am asking who possesses or who is the owner of that pen. Okay.
Ma'am, and this is positive noun, no, ma'am?
This is not noun. These are WH questions with what, why, who, which, where. These are WH questions. And how also comes in the WH family. Read the following paragraph and frame questions in the phrases. Anil is in school. So what will be the question?
Ma'am, shall I? Samarth Patil.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please, I am.
Yeah, where Anil is in school. Frame the question.
Ma'am, can I?
And where
Can I?
Ma'am, can I समझ जादू ma'am?
Where is Anil? I am in school too. Anil is sitting in the left row.
Where is Anil sitting?
Where is Anil sitting?
Sitting in.
Where is Anil sitting? He is reading
Where
a
is
book.
Anil sitting?
He is reading a book.
Madam, what is he doing?
What is
Ah,
he
what is he
doing?
What is he doing?
What is he doing? Okay.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Anil's friend is
What is he doing?
What is he sharpening?
Ma'am, we can
Anil,
raise our hands, ma'am.
yeah. Anil's friend is sitting in the second row. Yes, Abhinav.
Yes. Where is Anil's friend sitting?
Very good. Where is Anil's friend sitting? He is sharpening,
Next service will tell, ma'am.
he is sharpening his pencil. Hemant,
What is he doing?
what
What
is
is he doing?
okay? The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Balaji,
What is teacher doing?
what is the
What is teacher doing?
Children
And where is teacher writing?
are writing in their copy books. Vishwanath, Ayush,
Who are writing in their copybooks?
who are writing in their copy books. A better question can be framed.
Ma'am, Samarth Patil.
What are children doing, ma'am?
Is Mughal roll number 5744. Can I tell?
Out of the window.
Ma'am, can I?
Please.
Where are children looking?
Yeah, where are the
What are some children doing?
what are some children doing?
Doing.
Now, are we clear about the WH question, framing of WH questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Write appropriate question words in the blanks in the following dialogue. Neha, dash, did you get this book?
Ma'am, Sheila, ma'am.
What is the answer? Question word, dash, did you get this
Ma'am,
book?
can I?
Sheila, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
When?
When did you get this?
When did you get this book?
So, yesterday morning.
Why is your sister crying?
Yeah, why is your sister crying? And Sheila is saying, because she has lost her doll. Dash, room is this yours or hers?
Ma'am, can I
Answer
tell?
is ours.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, I'm Shree, ma'am.
Vishwanath.
Can it soon?
Ma'am, can I tell Karthik ma'am?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Can I tell ma'am?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Who's?
Ma'am, I didn't got a chance since morning.
Dash, do you go to the school? We walk to school. It is nearby.
Ma'am,
How do you go to school? We walk to school. It is nearby. The first one, my friend lost his chemistry book. Now he does not know dash to do and dash to look for it. What is the answer? My friend.
Ma'am, can I tell? Can I tell?
My friend lost.
Can I tell, ma'am?
can I tell ma'am? Akash Arjun?
My friend has lost his chemistry book. Now he doesn't know what to
Now
do,
he does
where to look for it.
doesn't know what.
There are so many toys in the shop. Nina cannot decide.
Can I tell, ma'am? Village.
Yeah, so the answer is Nina cannot decide which one to buy. You don't know the way to my school. Ask the policeman dash to get there.
Can I tell?
Yeah.
You don't know the way to my school? Ask the policeman how to get there.
How to get there. Okay. You should decide soon dash to start building your house.
You should decide soon
Summer 13.
when
Start building.
to start building your house.
Ma'am, summer
Dash
14.
ride a bicycle. I don't remember dash and dash. I learned it. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? I don't remember when and how I learned it.
Where and how
I learned it.
it.
You should know dash to talk and dash to keep your mouth shut. The teacher
Can I tell
advised.
and when?
Yeah, you should know
When and
when
where.
to talk and when to keep your mouth shut. Now we have to add IM or IN to each of the following words in place to given sentences. Answer it. The project appears very difficult at first sight, but it can be completed if we work very hard. What is the answer?
Impossible, ma'am.
Yeah, the project appears impossible at first sight, but it can be completed if we work hard. Okay. Second one, he lacks competence. That is why he cannot keep any job for more than a year.
He is incompetent. That's why he can't
Very good.
why he can't keep any job for
yeah,
more than a year.
he is incompetent. That is why
Incompetent.
he cannot keep any job for more than a year. Don't lose patience.
And can I-
Your letter will come one day. The postman told me. Cadet Smriti.
Ma'am, don't be impatient. Your letter will come one day. The postman told me.
Okay. That is not a proper remark to make under the circumstances.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please.
can I tell?
That is an improper, improper remark to make under the circumstances. Next question. He appears to be without sensitivity. In fact, he is very
Insensitive.
he appears to be insensitive. In fact, he is very emotional. So I'll like to take up the question answers once again so that you can write it. I'll repeat the question answers once again. A notebook.
Ma'am, I have the
Farmer
answers.
is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness do we find in the first two paragraphs? So the man is already kind. He has a
Ma'am,
pet.
we have to
and
write
the
in
pet-
small notebooks or
The old farmer had a dog pet dog Mukko, and he looked after the dog as if it were his child. He used to feed the dog with his own chopsticks. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? One day, when the farmer took him to the farm, he became restless and started scratching a place. The farmer dug the place and found the hidden gold. How did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first? The spirit of the dog came in the dream of the farmer and told him to cut off the pine tree and make a mill and mortar out of it, and they got a heap of gold coins. The next time, the dog again came to the dream of the farmer and advised him to take some ashes from the cruel couple's house and sprinkle it on trees, and the trees will bloom again. Last question. Why did the Diamo reward the farmer but punish his neighbor for the same act? The Diamo rewarded the farmer because he took a pinch of ash and sprinkled it on a cherry tree and it blossomed. But the greedy neighbor sprinkled a handful of ash and it got into the nose and throat of the Diamo and his wife, and this made the Diamo very angry.